Last episode you saw us install this Holley high performance fuel pump. Well, Holley recommends installing a 100 micron post fuel pump filter. And today we're going to show you how to install that. First step on mounting a fuel filter is to figure out your location. The hard lines on this truck went from here up to about here on the chassis, and then it's actually stepped down to a hard soft line right here. So there's actually a spot here where we could disconnect it and mount our fuel pump right on the chassis down there. Once we figured out our location, we knew we needed to get some adapters to be able to connect our lines. If I would have got the right 3/8 quick connect here, we could have connected straight to this, but I didn't, and we needed a few extra fittings in order to bridge this gap over to here anyways, because this does not reach all the way over here. This is 5/16 quick connect male, 5/16 quick connect female to -6 AN line, -6 AN to 3/8 quick connect. And just to walk through the fittings, we have a 5/16 to -6 AN fitting, and then a -6 to 5/16 quick connect. That's a little background on the fittings. Let's get to showing you guys how we mounted this. All right, Lee, you got it good? You got it where you want it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna mark this and see if I can actually get my drill where I mark it. Oh. If I can't, that might be a problem. I can always go in crooked, right? Oh, so close. I might be able to. It just might be a little crooked, which might cause an issue with the nutsert. Can you get one of those bolts, Lee? I want to make sure those fit through one of these holes.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Give me that nut.
Okay, there's that one. There's that one. All right, here goes nothing. I think I'd like to run her down to 9 mil now, and then put a nutsert in to make sure we're sitting good. All right, lean that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 down. Yeah, that's the next tier. Oh yeah.
You want to do that one?
The only problem I think is that this might be really, really thick. Might be an issue. Give me the tool, Lee.
You can always check out the tools that we use down in the description below. We do get a kickback, so we appreciate your support.
Give it the good old try.
And if you want to learn a little bit more about this tool, you can click the link in the upper right.
Where's Popeye when you need him? Shoot kebabs, man. I wonder if that's gonna come out. I think I got it.
I think so too.
I don't think I got it completely crimped, but I think I got it enough. I do think we should be using a deeper nutsert, being it's on this chassis, and the thickness of the wall of the chassis. But I did get it to go a little bit, and I pulled on it pretty good. It seems to be holding. Oh man, that's gonna be sweet. You got one of those bolts, Lee?
Our previous video of the Roy Garage, we installed an aftermarket Holley fuel pump. You can check that video out by clicking the link in the upper right.
All right, Lee, you got one of those nutserts? I just want to make sure you don't want to go too far, but you need to go far enough. That's it right there. I think that's about as far as I got last time. We used the Roy Garage project planner to come up with a list of parts, and a list of tools, and come up with a game plan of what steps we need to take to complete this step of the project. You can snag the project planner in the description below. Just use this back side to spin it out. Bruh. Let's get it. That's okay. Sweet deal. We got it, Leroy. That's solid, bro. Oh no, I need to tighten this. I need an Allen wrench to get this fuel filter tightened down. All right, last thing we got to do is tighten this up. All right, that fuel filter isn't going anywhere.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of The Roy Garage. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. We'll catch you next time on The Roy Garage.
So pumped we have this fuel pump and fuel filter mounted. Now we can finally start working on this firewall.